Hello guys, today we're going to learn how you're going to buy Bitcoin or fund your blockchain wallet with mobile money or bank account. So let's get started. First, open your browser. Then you have to have an account with ecurrency4u.net. So you have an account, just log on to your dashboard. But before that, make sure your account is verified. So after you log in, you move straight to buy now. And then you select what currency you are buying or e-wallet you are buying. I'm buying Bitcoin. And then what are you paying with? I'm going to pay with mobile money. You can also pay with Airtel or other bank accounts or Vodafone Cash. I'm using mobile money, MTN mobile money. So I'll select MTN mobile money. Then preferred miner. You choose a preferred miner. I'm buying this Bitcoin at a rate of 5.98. That's cedis is to $1. Then amount in US dollars, amount in Ghana cedis, 500 cedis. Alright, then select your wallet address, Bitcoin wallet address. So you go straight to your blockchain wallet. Then you select the address you want to use. So just log into your blockchain. Okay, after you've logged in, move straight to requests. Then you get to choose which currency you want to get the address. So Bitcoin is already selected. You just copy this address. Alright, then you move back to paste the address you just copied here. Now I can use an old address that I've already stored over here. Right, I've stored an address, so I can use that one. But for the sake of these tutorials, let's use a new address. So just paste this address over there. Then preview Bitcoin order. Now this is the address. I'm buying Bitcoin. This is the amount I'm going to get in dollars. Amount I'm going to send in Ghana cedis. Then mode of payment is mobile money. So order now. Okay, this is the order number. You would want to write down this order number. So B-O-3-4-4-3-4-1. Now the letter B after the B is always O, not 0. It's always O and not 0. Now when I'm done, just follow this 7 steps to send the money to the mobile money wallet. You just copy this number. I copy it, then I send the amount to that number. Yeah. So *170. Then transfer mobile money user. Then you paste the number you copied. Paste the number you copied. Enter amount 500. the reference. Now the reference is going to be the order number on the dashboard. That's why I told you to copy it or write it down somewhere. So 34434, then send, and then I'm sending this amount to this number. So enter the raw money. And I'll send this amount to the number. Now you get a prompt from MTN that you've sent an amount with a specific ID. Now this is the ID. So you copy the ID, then move to the e-currency for you dashboard. Login. Now on your dashboard, you go to manage orders. Now that you've placed the order, you go to manage orders, then pending. Under the status pending, you have add payment details. So you're going to add payment details. Alright, so this is the order number. Make sure it tallies with the one you wrote down. So payment option, mobile money, is already selected. You can choose how you send the money. I send it from my personal verified account. Then select verified account. This is my verified account. Amount to pay. That's so here is where you're going to paste the transaction ID that MTN sent you. Alright, then you add the date to this date, then add payment. Now make sure this ID is correct, because if this ID is not correct, you have some issues and you have to call the helpline. Now let's wait for the amount to reflect in our account. So e-currency for you is going to send me this amount in Bitcoin. Now when you get it, when they send it, you get an alert in your wallet, and then I think your email, you have an email confirming that you've received an amount of Bitcoin. So let's wait for the prompt. Now you usually get a prompt after 3 confirmations on the blockchain network. Okay, so let's check if the payment has come, but the notification might delay, so let's check that. Okay, so the amount has been sent. This is it. And this is it. Now these are the details. So after 3 confirmations, I've received my Bitcoin. So that is it. Thank you.